The essence of the U.S. tariff war against China is the triple game of economy, technology, and politics. On the economic level, the U.S. uses tariffs to promote reindustrialization and reduce the trade deficit with China. On the technological level, it precisely suppresses strategic industries such as new energy and semiconductors to curb China's technological upgrading. On the political level, it uses a tough trade stance to divert domestic conflicts and shape a consensus on competition with China. Chinese foreign trade companies need to break through in multiple dimensions. Market transfer. ASEAN's share has risen to 15.2%. Industrial upgrading. New energy vehicle exports have surged. Policy leverage. RCEP tariff reduction and exemption utilization rate increased by 26%. And model innovation. Cross-border e-commerce. Overseas warehouses. In the short term, tariff pressure forces the reconstruction of the industrial chain. In the long term, China's manufacturing is shifting from cost advantage to technology empowerment, using the global value chain to reshape the hedge against unilateral containment.